Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Kiwi Eco box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Kiwi Eco Box reached out to me and they asked if they could send me another box to show you guys. And I was like, yeah, because I really did enjoy and I love the concept of everything being eco-friendly when I got their last box. So I'm really glad that now they're showing us another variation. This box right here, however, is already sold out, but you can prepay now for next month's box to grab your spot. You can use my code. They gave me a code now, Crafty25, and that will save 25% off your first purchase. Everything will be linked down below that you can check them out. And next month, the September box is full of cool eco-friendly products like shampoo bar and a set of produce mesh bags with other goodies as well. But those are the two spoilers for next month if you would like to jump on this eco-friendly box. Let's dive in and see what the August box has in store. And if you want to see what is going to be all in the September box, you can check out their website because they have a picture, unless you want it to be a surprise. Then you just know the few spoilers that I told you. So when you get inside, that is what the presentation is. And there we, oops. There we have it. That is what it looks like when you first open up the box. So the first item that I'm pulling out is this right here. And this looks like it would be a bamboo brush. It's kind of hefty. It's definitely not plastic. It has some weight to it. And I think there should be a card in here. No, there's not a card in here. She did say that there would be a card in here that would explain everything, but there's not a card in here. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So we have a bamboo comb, a wide tooth comb, which is very nice. And again, it feels very nice quality. It feels like it is some type of a wood. I'm gonna call it bamboo, but I'm not quite sure what it is. Okay, so then now we have is this little bag right here, and down inside is going to be, what are you? Oh, I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited. Okay, so one time I had placed an order with a skincare company and they had sent me 2 free little, what are these, like makeup pad things, but they're reusable. You wash them. And I was like, that's an amazing concept, because then you're not buying all of the cotton rounds or whichever and throwing them out. You use them and reuse them. So I have 2 and I still have the 2. And after I use those in 2 nights, I toss them in my dirty clothes and I wash them. Then I have 2 more. This time, now I have a whole lot of them, which is definitely going to last a load. Like, you know, at least like definitely a week's worth. How many are here? Let's start there. We have 1, 2 light blue. We have 2 green, 2 white, 2 dark blue, 2 pink, and 2 yellow. Okay guys, so there's 12 total. This is really neat because that's like a week and a half worth. So I really like this. And I really love this bag because I can keep this, put them inside this bag, and then put them in my washer, because you'd be surprised how many times I find my one little tiny pad like down inside one of my pant legs or inside one of the armpits of my shirt because it's just one little tiny round that's in my whole load. So sometimes it's hard to find those 2 little stragglers in there. So I'm really glad that they thought to put it in a washable mesh bag. So all I have to do is toss them in this bag every time I use it. Like I can literally have this attached to my basket, like have it sit out there, and then I can toss them on there when I do my laundry. I take it off, close it, toss it in the wash. I really like this. All this time talking about these washable like makeup. I use these for my toner. And I'm really excited about that. So then now we have, it looks like a little loofah pad to wash your bate in the shower. And there's that. You can always use a good sponge, especially an exfoliator, to get off the dead skin. Very good. Now we have, I'm gonna say maybe this is a loose leaf tea ball. That's what it looks like to me. It's really small, but I think this is a loose leaf tea ball. That's what I'm gonna call it. So you just pull it apart. I think that's what you do, is put your loose leaf tea in there, close it up, and then drop it in your hot water. And then it has this little thing where I guess like you can probably hook it on the side. So it's right there. So you grab it and pull it out. That's what I'm going to assume. And then the last item is down in here. I know we got straws before. Oh, this is not straws. This is really neat. We have, I'm gonna say this is bamboo. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But it looks like a bamboo silverware set. That is really neat. I've never seen anything like that. So this is cool, even if you were to toss it in your car or if you were traveling or anything, and if you ever needed something, you have it on hand while you're on the road, or you can just use them and wash them and just reuse them for your own self in your own house. That's really neat. I've never seen a little set like that that's reusable. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Again, this particular month is not available anymore. They have sold out of this one, but they definitely wanted you to see another variation of their box so you can see all of the different eco-friendly products that they're putting inside of them. And if you want to jump on board, go ahead and follow the link down below. Use my code SheCrafty25 to save 25% off your first order. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that came in this month's box? Again, we have the loofah, we have the comb, we have a tea ball, we have the silverware set, and this is my favorite. I'm super excited to get these because now I will never have to buy cotton round things, because now I have totally enough to get me by. If you want to know the pricing for this box, Kiwi Eco box is a monthly eco-friendly subscription box. Everything you need to live zero waste. Again, SheCrafty25 for 25% off. So once you join Kiwi, you start to receive 5 to 7 sustainable eco-friendly products every month, which allows you to integrate zero waste concept into your lifestyle easily and build your plastic-free routine. So 1 month is $24.99 a box. If you do 3 months at a time, it'll bring it down to $23.33. And if you do a whole year, it brings it down to $22.33 per box. Again, each box will have 5 to 7 items and all 100% eco-friendly. And if you guys didn't want to go straight to the subscription box just yet, you can definitely take a look at their website, and they have a zero waste starter kit, and it's a one-time purchase, no commitment. So if you want to jump on board on becoming eco-friendly and less waste and saving the environment, and you don't want to jump straight to the subscription, you can definitely check out their starter kit and purchase a one-time starter kit to start your journey. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Did you see last month's? What did you think of the difference between last month versus this month? Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know the drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.